Ever find your mixes sounding muddy, undefined, or just lacking that professional clarity? The culprit often lies in a buildup of unnecessary low-end frequencies. Many instruments generate sub-bass rumble or low-mid clutter that can obscure your core bass and kick drum, making your entire track feel heavy and indistinct. But don't worry, the solution is simpler than you think. It's all about effectively using high-pass filters. First, let's tackle cleaning up individual tracks. Many instruments, like vocals, guitars, or cymbals, produce low-frequency information that isn't musically relevant and only adds mud. Use a high-pass filter, often found in your DAW's stock EQ, like Ableton's EQ8 or FabFilter Pro Q3, to gently roll off these unwanted lows. For example, a good starting point for vocals might be anywhere from 80 Hz to 120 Hz, ensuring you don't cut into the fundamental frequency of the lowest note. Next, high-pass filters are crucial for carving out dedicated space for your foundational low-end elements, the kick and bass. By removing superfluous low frequencies from other instruments, you prevent frequency masking and allow your kick and bass to shine with power and definition. For instance, high-pass an electric guitar around 80 to 100 Hz to let the bass guitar own that crucial low-mid territory. Even your kick drum can benefit from a subtle high-pass below 30-40 Hz to remove inaudible rumble that eats into your headroom. Beyond simple cleanup, HPFs offer creative possibilities. Want that classic muffled radio effect? Apply a steep high-pass filter starting around 300 to 400 Hz. You can also place high-pass filters on your reverb or delay auxiliary sends to prevent those effects from muddying up your low end. This keeps your mix clear and focused while still allowing your effects to add spaciousness to the higher frequencies. Understanding your filter's slope and Q factor gives you more precise control. The slope, measured in dB per octave, dictates how aggressively the frequencies are cut. A 12 dB octave slope is common and gentle, while 24 dB or 48 dB per octave offers a steeper cut. Be mindful that steeper slopes can introduce phase shifts and ringing, especially on percussive sounds, so sometimes a gentler slake is more musical. The Q factor, or resonance, can create a subtle boost at the cutoff frequency, which can be used creatively or to emphasize certain tones. A powerful advanced technique is using a high-pass filter on the side channel of a mid-side EQ on your master bus or a bus group. This can mono your low frequencies, typically up to around 130 Hz, making your low end more focused and powerful. Tools like FabFilter Pro Q3 or even stock EQs and DOWs like Logic Pro X offer mid-side processing. Always listen in context, A/B test your changes, and trust your ears over your eyes to avoid over-filtering and making your mix sound thin. High-pass filters are indispensable tools for achieving clarity, punch, and definition in your mixes. By applying these techniques thoughtfully, you'll transform your tracks from muddy to crystal clear. Ready to dive deeper into audio production? Start learning today at Sikho.ai.